So, guys, a lot of people ask one question. So, if you any kind of page, you can get sharing the content. So, how we can understanding for reach and engagement option? So, yeah, people will be reach and engagement. What is the difference between reach and engagement and impressions? In this purpose, we have some sharing for particular one documentation here. In this, difference between the impression, reach, and engagement on the particular Facebook option. Engagement measure how can you views, clicks, comment, like, shares. You can post and they get the impression option. Impression will be number of the times post of the people watch your particular post option. Suppose I'm see this post option. Any post, not only your Facebook option, any post, if I'm see this one, that is called impression. People reach in the post. When you click this option, engagement will be count. Suppose I'm click this option here. So people watching this engagement, when click will be happen, the engagement will be count. So right now will be 0. This I'm posting for previously. Just I'm refresh. When people was click, the engagement will be count. So most of the reach is impression, nothing will be valued for particular. Your YouTube will be website traffic will be not count. When engagement will be done, the counting for people watch your continue to particular links. So that is compulsory here to reach, but engagement will be 5. So more people will be click for 5 times option. Why? Because I'm sharing you 5 the different groups or pages. The people will watch, they will engagement will be going to 5. People reach will be 5. 2 in the particular people reach. 5 will be engagement option. That means based on impression, the showing engagement will right now 5 option. You will checking purpose. We have option will be called insight and publishing tools option. Insight and publishing tools option. So first, previous, what is my engagement in the previous video I'm sharing here? 0. Now you can check. Why? I'm click that option. So they will be count will be started for one option. This takes time to update the engagement option. Here, what are the option will be there here? This particular all options are there. See page likes, page views, story reach, post reach, page likes, post engagement, responsive. So when it's video, page followers are there. And if you check any options are there, how much post will be done. So previous done by this one 0. Now will be. So it takes some time to the showing for post engagement option. So when clicks will be happen, the engagement will be count. When clicks will be happen, the engagement will be count. So in this here, reach is the number of people who reach impression of your page post. If we continue with the previous example, if it was only for reach recorded on the post, even the throw will be twice by the same person, that because it was only one person who saw it. Is organic and a pair reach and viral reach. So coming to the engagement and engagement rating, so they are completely different will be here. So Facebook is when people will be perform action on your content, like a post, click on the link, the engagement will be give the particular rating here, where the particular Facebook insight option or publishing tool. So responsive 20%, everything. The page option, they will show you how much 20% response rate here. You can check the all options are here. What are the things are will be here. The everything will be showing the particular inbox option. So inbox, what are the performance are there? Everything will be given in the particular option. So everything based on the response, the particular will be given in the particular reach and engagement and impression option. Only one thing remember, any Facebook post, impression can't show to the Facebook. People watch your ad or your post. When will be people reach? When click will be happen, engagement will be count. Engagement will be count. I give one example. So I'm selecting for any one video here in this. First copy it, share it here. I'm showing for that live. I'm going to selecting for page option here. When sharing time, I'm using for hashtags. Don't forget hashtag is more important, and particular post will be shared just is a few seconds back. Now we can go for refresh it. Careful to watch. Now this video zero reach and zero engagement. Now you can check in this publishing tool option here. Now refresh this in a page. Right now I'm starting for sharing this option, that page to page or page to group or page to any persons as you wish. So here, what are the content you can sharing here? Hashtag, don't forget it to the particular post option. So here, then when sharing time, I'm using for page to page. Along with the original post. That mean by to increase your page like purpose. Share to page. When sharing time, you have to follow the compulsory instruction will be there. So your page. Original post and post it. Why is that we can ask the original post? Along with the page, we can promote it for other pages. Here when you're sharing time, they're showing only three options. Share to group and share to page and share option will be there. So if you increase the more options like story, anything, just we have to select option will be called profile. In this profile, share here, share your storyline. Next will be share your particular message option. To share your message for anyone in the particular here. See this. If you want shared by your friend's timeline, any friend timeline, you have to show this one. Simple, this option will be here, including original post. So what other person will be here and publish it. They're showing for another person timeline option will be here. Just I'm selecting for timeline person will be here. My post will be shown to the customers here. Sharing will be profile option. Here, previous I'm sharing page to page option. Now I'm sharing for profile to page option. Here, profile will be follows increase, page will be follows will be increase option. Here, when sharing page to page option, lot of difference are there. I'm sharing for page to page option. I show the difference for page to page, profile to page option. Including original post, select it and post option. After posting, we have to open this page. How it is visible by the in the post on the particular page option. So yeah. Just we have to check the post option here. See page and page. Previous option profile to page here. Now will be page to page. When sharing for page to page, only for page is visible for the particular page option. When sharing for profile to, the visible by another profile also will be there. So what are the condition will be there? We can use to increase the reach. Now previous my video reach will be 0. Now we can refresh it. If you see the poster will be impression, people will be reach, and after click the engagement will be start. Based on engagement, they will be converted as a engagement will be here. Now post engagement will be 4, reach will be 0. That people will be click on the particular engagement option. So this is particular. The page wise nobody can go to here. Who will be sharing for profile wise, they will go to that profile wise. So that is called reach will be 0, engagement will be 4 option. So follow instruction in a particular things. The complete document will be given. The particular option will be there on the skill2digital.com website. So complete you can read the information about this option. Follow for skill2digital.com. Follow instructions and how you can share in the content, how it is applicable by the impression, reach, and engagement, which is countable. Engagement is a count to increase your website traffic and YouTube views. Everything count based on engagement on the Facebook page to people reach your website or YouTube channel. So, which is you can countable? Engagement is a countable. Reach is 100 reach. Engagement is 5. The 5 will be count. Particular link will be click on the particular users. The depend on you can check for Facebook Insight. So based on option will be select. So what is the option will be here, and today, yesterday, everything will be checked on the particular engagement. So this is a way we have to check the Facebook impression, reach, and engagement option, which is countable. Facebook engagement is the countable particular website traffic, YouTube channel traffic, increase the views and the public to the engagement on the particular website purpose.